Hey man, me and Lil V working this joint, doing hubs, rotors, and brake pads.
This is premium
That's what we do.
6 generations in the making.
TRX.
By England. Raise the bar.
Hellcat. Red eye. Just in case you missed it or didn't know. Yeah, she red. Alright, back on these brakes, rotors, hubs. I don't know where V is, up under there. He up under there somewhere. Right here. Alright. Man, this is the work that real men do. Real men do work like this. You ain't gotta take your stuff to no shop. Why take it to a shop? You should be able to do this yourself. The wheel hub or wheel bearing, your rotor, and new brakes are going on here. This is what you do.
And that's because we've got storms and
most of the western
south, but storms again tomorrow.